Welcome to the course on Spoken English. Hello everyone. Welcome to the video on Small Talk and Social Interactions, Part 2. Social interactions involve a broad range of exchanges between individuals or groups. These can range from simple greetings to complex conversations and social behaviors. The purposes of social interactions are information exchange, emotional support, building bonds and coordination. Social interactions can happen in a variety of scenarios. Let's look into a couple of scenarios where it is frequently used. Now, let's see the scenario of social interaction at a party.
Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Sam.
Nice to meet you, Sam. I'm Taylor. How do you know the host?
I work with Chris at the same company. How about you?
Chris and I went to college together. We've kept in touch ever since.
That's cool. So, what do you do now?
I'm a graphic designer. I love creating visual content. And you?
I am in IT, mainly working on software development. It is challenging but rewarding. Well, it was great meeting you, Taylor.
Nice meeting you too, Sam. Enjoy the party. Now, let's see the scenario of social interaction at a networking event.
Hi, I'm Alex. Great event, isn't it?
Hi Alex, I'm Sarah. Yes, it's really well organized. Have you attended this event before?
This is my first time. I work in marketing. How about you?
I'm in finance. I actually come to these events quite often to network.
Oh, that's interesting. Do you work for a company or are you freelancing?
I work for a financial consultancy. What kind of marketing do you specialize in?
I focus on digital marketing, especially social media campaigns. Well, it was great meeting you, Sarah. I should probably mingle a bit more.
Likewise, Alex. Let's keep in touch. Here's my business card. Let me give you a few activities based on this session. Number 1. Listen to the audio of the conversation and try to mimic the accent. Number 2. Do not worry about making mistakes. Keep practicing until it becomes perfect. Remember, positive social interactions contribute to mental health and happiness. It is essential for creating and maintaining community bonds and is critical for successful collaboration and understanding in various settings. Now that you have completed this module, you should be able to greet others, introduce yourselves, ask and answer questions about personal information, and perform small talk and social interactions. Our next session will be on Module 2, Vocabulary Building. Until we meet again, take care and thank you. For any technical, non-technical, academic course developments and online classes, feel free to contact Alvin Design Technologies. The contact details are shown on the screen. Thank you.